Hello, my name is Frankie Momin. I'm representing East Khasi Hills district and I'm competing in men's freestyle wrestling below 52 kg. For the facilities that the government has provided, I think it's all good. Athletes can have proper food and for staying and all. It helps them to prepare mentally and physically so that also they won't have so much stress regarding the food or the stay and they can perform well during the competitions. Regarding for the preparations of this event, we have tried our best, very best, and we hope that the event will continue next year. Events like these, they are good because they can bring up many athletes, many champions, and also future generations can grow more in this sport, especially wrestling. Whatever you do, either you win or you lose. Don't ever lose hope. Just keep on training. Even many coaches, many teachers, even they have gained so many knowledge, they never term themselves as the coaches or as the teacher. They are always a student. Thank you.